Hello, everyone, and welcome to Buyer's Favorites. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best drones of 2025. Choosing the right drone is more than just about flying. It's about capturing stunning visuals, enjoying smooth controls, and getting the best features tailored to your needs. With so many options on the market, it can be challenging to find the perfect drone for your budget and purpose. That's why we've done the research for you. We've compiled a list of 5 outstanding drones, each offering unique capabilities for different users. Stick around until the end to find out which drone is our top pick and why. And don't forget to check the links in the description below to buy any of these fantastic products. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Evo Lite Plus is the flagship drone from Autel's latest lineup and directly competes with some of the best mid-range models on the market. Capable of shooting 5.4K video at 30 FPS using its 1-inch sensor, this drone is ideal for those who value high-quality footage. The adjustable aperture, ranging from f2.8 to f11, allows for precise control over exposure, making it perfect for capturing cinematic shots. Its 40-minute flight time is impressive, giving you plenty of time to shoot your desired scenes. While it lacks certain advanced features like 10-bit video or a D-Log profile, the Lite Plus excels in low-light performance thanks to its larger sensor pixels. This makes it a strong contender for evening or dimly lit environments. One drawback is the omission of side sensors for obstacle avoidance, but overall, the Evo Lite Plus is a versatile and reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking for excellent value. Number 4. At number 4, we have the DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S strikes a balance between portability and professional features. With a 1-inch main camera sensor, this drone excels in low-light conditions, producing crisp and detailed photos and videos. Its dual-camera system includes a 3-vise telephoto lens, enabling dynamic perspectives for creative shots. Safety is a priority with the Air 3S, featuring LiDAR obstacle sensing, which performs exceptionally well even in nighttime environments. The drone offers up to 45 minutes of flight time, allowing users to capture extended sessions without interruption. Although it falls under Europe's C1 category due to its 724 grams takeoff weight, requiring adherence to certain restrictions, it remains accessible to both beginners and advanced users. Whether you're upgrading or purchasing your first drone in this series, the Air 3S is a solid choice for aerial photography and videography. Number 3. Landing at number 3 is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts. It's the first consumer drone to feature 3 cameras, including a 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. With its adjustable aperture and pro-level video formats, this drone is perfect for filmmakers who demand versatility and precision. What sets the Mavic 3 Pro apart is its ability to handle challenging weather conditions, ensuring stable flight and smooth controls even in windy environments. The addition of telephoto cameras with 3x and 7x zoom capabilities adds a new dimension to your aerial shots. While it's on the pricier side and falls under Europe's C2 category due to its weight, the Mavic 3 Pro is a top-tier option for those who want the very best in drone technology. Number 2. Next up at number 2 is the DJI Mini 4K. The Mini 4K is an excellent budget-friendly option for first-time drone buyers. Priced under $300, it offers features that punch well above its price point. The 4K video resolution provides impressive clarity, while the 2.7K 60 FPS option ensures smooth footage. Weighing just 246 grams, it's lightweight and regulation-friendly, making it a great choice for casual users. The drone includes a 3-axis gimbal for stable flight performance, even in windy conditions. However, it lacks obstacle avoidance, so users should exercise caution when flying near obstacles or over water. Despite this limitation, the Mini 4K delivers excellent battery life and robust construction, making it a fantastic entry-level drone with professional-grade results. Finally at number 1, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro offers a lightweight design and a host of advanced features. Its 1.3-inch sensor ensures outstanding image quality, while the improved processing makes it even better in low-light conditions. One standout feature is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which enhances safety, especially for beginners. The new D-Log M color profile provides greater consistency with higher-end models like the Mavic 3, making it ideal for videographers who want professional-level results. Active Track 360° is another highlight, enabling seamless subject tracking for dynamic shots. Paired with the DJI RC2 controller, the Mini 4 Pro becomes a highly portable yet powerful drone, perfect for travel and adventure. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones of 2025. Each of these drones offers unique features, whether it's portability, advanced imaging, or affordability. Be sure to check the links in the description below to buy any of these amazing products. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.